Good evening, guys. Am I audible to everyone? Good. Okay. You guys have enjoyed your stay. Have relaxed. Have you done that? Or have you practiced oh, lot of practicing? Liars. Okay, fine. Good. So let's start with the next concepts. So in the last class we have discussed how to dynamically, that is how to read date size from the user and create an array object, right? How to read size from a user and create an array object. Yeah. So I hope everyone perfect with that. Good. So today, guys, yes, perfect. Yeah. So in the last class, we have discussed how to read the size from the user and create an array object, right? Yes, perfect. So today, guys, what we shall do is we'll try to read size and data from the user and data from the user. Both from the user, let us see. Both from user. It is not just a size. We should also dynamically read the data from the user. That is what we're gonna learn now, and we'll start solving some programs as well. Shall we do that? Perfect. So let us start doing it. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Now, guys, first tell me if there is some data given to you all. Okay. If you have some data to you all, of all size equal to 3, and this is the data. This is the data given to you. We all know how to create an array object and how to store this, right? Yes, we all know how to create an array object and how to store this, right? It is very easy. Yeah. How do I achieve the task? First, I need to create an variable to new, right? And then I will say 3. Got it? Perfect. So my array object is successfully created. Array object is successfully created. Do you agree that? Yes, array object is successfully created. So once the array object is successfully created, what is my next job? Store the data. We already know how to instruction to store the data. How do you write an instruction to store the data? Variable which has the address of the array object, variable which has the address of the array object, array operator, the position, the index where I want to store the data, assignment operator followed by data. Are you understanding? Agree with this? Do you all agree with this? Everyone understood? Yes. Any confusions here? So whatever data I provide here, that data will be stored in the array object in the given index. The data will be stored in the array object for the given index. Right? Perfect. Am I not audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? If I'm not audible, how did you type no now? In your dream, you got to know that I'm asking this question. Okay. I feel like laughing. It's okay, fine. Come on, let's move forward, okay? Fine. Chill, relax now. My network is full and everything is fine, okay? It's okay. Don't worry about my battery, man. I will take care of that. You focus, no? Where and all, what and all you guys are observing instead of observing the concept and the subject. Huh? Idiots. Okay. So whatever data I provide, that data will be stored inside the particular array object. Yes, I will go to that array object using the variable and the index. We know this. But now the question is, this is not provided by the programmer. No, programmer should not provide the data. Programmer should not provide the data. Are you understanding? Yeah, programmer should not provide the data. Okay, then who should provide the data? User should provide the data. Right? Who should provide the data, guys? Come on. User should provide the data. That is the question. Okay. Sir, now the question, can I read data from the user? Can I read the data from the user? Yes, obviously. We can read the data from the user with the help of method. We can read the data from the user with the help of scanner class method, right? So only difference is, instead of writing data here, in this place, what you need to do? Call method. In this place, what I need to do? I just have to call the method. Do you understand that? Yeah, I just have to call the method. Do you agree, everyone? Yes. So come on, help me to rewrite this. How do I read the data from the user, everyone? Come on. Yes, do it. Variable. Very good. The array variable which is having the address. Array variable which is having the address. Okay. Followed by index where I need to store the data. Very good. Assignment operator. And here I need to call the method. So normally scanner object reference dot the method name. You just have to call the method. For example, here if I want to store integer data, I will call next int method. I will call which method? Next int method. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yes, very good. So now, are you supplying the data as a programmer? Do you think programmer is supplying the data? Is the programmer supplying the data? No. What is programmer doing? Programmer is requesting for the keyboard to provide the data. Programmer is requesting for the keyboard to provide integer data. So who will use the keyboard? Obviously, user will use the keyboard. Who will use the keyboard? The user will use the keyboard. Understood? Very good. Perfect. So let us do this again. Can you tell me the instruction? How to fetch the data from the user and store it inside the array. How is the data from the user and store it inside the array? What is the instruction for that? Come on, let us repeat this. Yes, what is the, come on, fast, quickly, yes. Yeah, I need a variable, very good. I need the variable where the address of the array is present, right? Followed by the index of that particular position. Yes, wherever you want to add, equals to call the method of scanner class. You need to call the method of scanner class. For example, if I would say yes dot next int. Yes dot next int for integer. Do you agree? Perfect. Understood? Okay. Now, let us do this. Okay. Let us do this. Assume that I want to read two data from the user and store it in the array. I want to read 2 data from the user and store it in the array. 2 data from the user and store it in the array. So how many times I should write this now? How many times I should write this? 2 times. So how do I do this? Come on, tell me guys, how do I do this? I'll have to say variable. Come on, help me everyone. First instruction, variable, array operator, followed by index 0 equal to yes dot next int. I hope everyone following me. Is everyone following me? Good. Did you understand this? So come on, let us decode this instruction. Let us slowly do it. First, what will happen here? Fetching the data from where? I'm fetching the data from where? User. Come on, understand right hand side. Fetching the data from the user. Keyboard. Very good. From the keyboard. That data is stored where? Inside array 0th position. Inside array 0th position. Understood? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So if I want to store another data, how do I do it now? If I want to store another data, how do I do it? Very simple. I just have to say variable. What will be my index? What will be my index now? 1. Very good. Equals to, what is my instruction? Sir, same thing, sir. Oh, same thing. Yes, dot, next int, over. Sir, pi, everything same, sir. Ayyo, so easy. So now tell me how many data you are reading from the user. How many data you are reading from the user? Where are you storing them? Where are you storing them? Inside the array. Very good. Where are you storing them? Inside the array. Good. Perfect. Understood? Okay, come on, let's practice this again. For example, I want to store 3 data. I need to store 3 data. How many guys? 3 data. Come on, how do I do it? Help me, help me. No laziness. I don't want anyone to be lazy. I want everyone to be active over here. Okay, if you have a paper, you can write it along with me. Come on, tell me the full instruction. Variable, good. Variable. Yes, what is the index? 0. Very good. Equal to yes dot next int. Perfect, perfect. Very good. Next again, what is my next instruction? Variable 1 equals to yes dot next int. Do you agree? Perfect. Next one. Variable 2 equals to yes dot next int. Easy? Perfect. Is my job done? Yes, my job is successfully done. But do you think any smart person will do this job? Do you think any smart because you're simply repeating. You're repeating the same thing. Don't you think you're repeating the same thing? Yes. Sir, is there any other way? Yeah, use a loop. Can I use a loop over here? I'm repeating the same thing. So whenever you're repeating the same thing, we can take the help of a loop statement. Either a while loop or a for loop or a do while loop. Any loop I can use it. Do you agree that? Yes. Any loop. But now, most of them will face a problem. Sir, if I use a loop statement, how do I write it? Hey, listen now. Everyone, stop typing. Stop typing now immediately. Listen now. Listen. Hey, I say stop typing, you say okay. And someone is very much important focusing on my battery. Let it die. Da. When it gives me warning message, I will plug it only. Worry then my laptop. I will plug it now only. Happy now. I have plugged it. It okay. He's feeling pity for laptop. Laptop is not crying. He's only crying. Okay, okay. Now focus, everyone. Good, good, good. I can see people laughing. I'm imagining that you're laughing. Good. Now, look here. Now, look here. Now, look here. Stop typing. Look here. Look here. Look here. Now, the problem with students is, sir, I will use a loop. But how do I use a loop? Very simple. I'm giving you a clue. What is common here? Write it once. Variable is common. Write it. Array operator is common. Write it. Is this same? Oh shit, no, it is not same. So this is changing. Index is changing. Index is changing. Okay, leave it. Assignment operator, same. Right hand side, oh, you everything same. So variable array operator equal to s dot next int. Over. 80% problem solved. Later one, after that two, then stop. Do you agree that? First it should be 0, later 1, later 2. So what should I do? Will you write 0 here directly? Instead, I will take one container. I'll take one container. Can I take one container and I will initialize it to 1? I'll take one container, initialize it to 1. Can I do this? Yes. Now here I will put I. Now tell me currently what is there inside I? What is there inside I? 1. But it should start from where? It should start from where? 0. Modify. I equal to 0. Now what is there inside I? 0. Now is my design okay? Is it correct till here? Is it correct? Okay. So I will come. I will execute. First data is read. Now should I repeat this? Should I repeat this? Yes. But before repeating, I should do some changes. Modification, update. Modification, update. Update is necessary. What is that update? I should increment by 1. So I will say I plus. Is a. Now can I repeat this again? Now can I repeat this again? Yes. Now, how many times you will repeat, man? Will you repeat until you die? Will you repeat this until you die? You should stop somewhere, no? Yeah, where do you stop? You will stop once your job is satisfied. You will stop once the job is satisfied. So I need to read how many times? 3 times. So I should stop once 3 times read. Got it? So now, can I rewrite this as for int I equal to 0? How many data I need to store? 3 data. So I less than 3. I plus plus update. And now I will say variable array operator index equal to s dot next int. S dot next int. Can I call it like this now? Can I call it like this? Yes or no? Is this correct or wrong? Quickly, people respond. Good. Why wrong? There are few people saying wrong. Why wrong? Why this is wrong? My requirement is for 3 data. No. Why it is wrong? Okay, because here, good. See, they have observed. Correct. Good. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Now, next. In the same way, now the question is read data from the user until the array is full. Until the array is full. Array is full. Now tell me, how do you do this? Read the data and store it until the array is full. Now how do you do this? Very simple. How many data? How do I do this now? Come on, let me. Good. In I equals to what? Everyone, I equals to what? I equals to what? I equals to what? 0. Now what is the condition here? Will I say I less than 3? Will I say I less than 3, I less than 2? Will you say that? No. Until the array is full. So now tell me, how do you do this? I will say array variable dot length. Do you agree? Array variable dot length. Semicolon. Come on, after semicolon, tell me what I should do. Update I plus plus. Now inside this, what I should do? Inside this, what I should do? Yeah, variable of I equals to yes dot next int. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Any confusions here? Perfect. So now tell me, this part of code will help me to what? This part of code will help me to do what? Come on, everyone. It will help me to read data dynamically from the user. Yes, it will help the data dynamically from the user. Understood? Any confusions? Sure. Yes, you can take down this part. Come on, tell me, guys. Take down the note to read data. Okay, to initialize array dynamically. To initialize array dynamically. How do you repeat again? Hey, I've already repeated 3-4 times, man. What were you doing? Hey, what is A? A is a variable only, no? This shows how much of common sense you guys have. Come on, focus, Suraj, you will understand. Huh? When I'm explaining, you look only at the screen. Don't look at anything else. You will not be confused. Because I've explained it. It's okay. You will get to know. Look here now. To initialize array dynamically. Come on, everyone. To initialize array dynamically, what is the... Okay, int. I need a variable for index. Right? Index equal to 0. Right? I should be less than array reference. Do you agree? This array reference can be there inside a variable. Array reference dot length. right? After that, I plus plus. Do you agree till here? Everyone understood till here? Yes. Now, if you ask me what is array reference, then I should kick you out. You have answers right from the beginning. Huh? Array reference dot length. Good. Now tell me what I should do now. Here, same thing. Array reference equals to what I should do here. Call scanner class method. Easy. Understood? Any confusion still here? Any confusion still here? Easy, 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 everyone, easy. Okay. Come on, first write down this, everyone. Take down this much. I will give you a program example. I will also execute a program. You will understand it better. First, write down this much. This. Okay, over. Done, everyone? Yes. Let us do a simple program now. Come on. Whatever we did yesterday. Okay. First question. Look here. The question is, okay. Create an integer array of size 5 and initialize data from the user and print them. This is the question. Understood question, everyone? Come on, everyone understood? First, please spend time on the question. Create an integer array of size 5 and initialize the data from the user and print them. Come on, let us do step by step now. What is step 1? What is step 1? Import scanner class. So let's do import java.util.scanner. Import.util.scanner. Understood this? Yes. Perfect. Okay. Yes. Next, what I need to do? What is my step 2? Come on. What is step 2? Create scanner class object. Okay, create scanner class object. How do I do that? Scanner yes equal to new scanner system.in. That's it, right? Yes. Next, what is my next step? Step 3, come on, what is my step 3? Create integer array of size 5. Create integer array of size 5. No, here in the question, size is already given. In the question, size is already given. Right? In the question, size is already given. So now create integer array of size 5. Good. So now tell me, how do I create an integer array of size 5 here? Yes. How do I create an integer array of size 5 here? Tell me, guys. Hey, how do I create? Yeah, integer array. You guys are not practicing on day-to-day basis. I'll murder you. Integer array. Here you need to give a variable. You need to give a variable. Let me say the name of the variable is ARR. The name of the variable is ARR equals to new integer inside this 5. That's all right. So successfully I've created an integer array of size 5. Good. Now what is my next step? What is my next step? Step 4. Yes, initialize the array. Initialize the array by read data. Reading data. Come on, now tell me what should I do here? That is what it is, right? I will use for loop integer. See here, I should start from where? 0. I equal to 0. Array reference dot length. Array reference dot length. I should be less than array reference dot length. People who were asking me to repeat, listen. I should be less than what? Array dot length. How do I do that command? I should be, where do you have the address of the array object, array reference inside the variable, right? So I should be less than arr dot length. Do you agree that? Yes, arr dot length. Good. Next, come on, tell me next, what should I do here? You need to update the index variable. So here I plus plus, I am updating the index variable. Good. Next. Now inside this, what you need to do? You need to store data inside array. How do I store the data inside an array? Array reference. Where do you have array reference? ARR. ARR of index. That is array scanner class method, right? Which data I want to read? Integer data. So how do I call? Yes dot next int. Yes dot next int. Is that clear, guys? Perfect. Any confusions you have here? Any questions you have here? That's all. Over. So finally, what you need to do? What is my step 5? What is my final step 5? Print the data in a single line. Print the data in a single line. Got it? How do I print the data in a single line? Come on, tell me. How do I print the data in a single line? Again, for I take one variable I equal to 0. Got it? So I should be again same thing. ARR dot length less than ARR dot length. After that, I plus plus. Easy. Now inside this system dot out dot print, where how do you access the data? ARR of I, and I will give a space. I'll give a space. Easy. So do you think our program is ready now? See, step by step, if you are listening to my class from day one, every small thing you will understand. How to store data, how to print also separately we have discussed. Now we are doing all the actions together. We are doing everything together. Are you understanding? Yes, we are doing everything here together. Any confusions here? Understood this program, guys? Did you understand this program? Yes. See, let me execute it. Let me execute this. See, a1.java, Java a1. Okay. Look here. Now the keyboard is waiting for me to enter the data. The keyboard is waiting for me to enter the data. I will enter 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 data successfully entered. Now, are you getting the data back? Are you getting all the data back? Are you printing the data back? Yes, I am storing the data. I'm storing the data successfully and I'm printing the data. Understood this? Any confusion still here? Okay, see, step one, I repeat, come on, listen carefully. Step one, import the scanner class. Step two, create a scanner class object. Step three, create an array of the given size. Create the array for the given size, and then initialize the array by reading the data. Initialize the array by reading the data, and finally, what am I doing? Printing the data. Understood? Any confusions here? Obviously, step 5, you're using a loop again because my storing is different and printing is different. It's two different tasks. Here I am storing, here I'm printing. I don't want you to do parallelly. I don't want you to read and print like idiot, okay? First, I want you to store everything and then print them. Got it? So that is what you guys don't read the bloody, you don't have the patience to read the question. What does the question say? Data from the user and print them. No. What does the question say? Read the question. What does the question say? You need to print them. How do you print them? Huh? Yesterday's class, that is Saturday's class, is to print the data. I have also traced the program step by step in Saturday's session, right? See, first of all, I'm going so slow. I'm covering very less. Whatever topic is done in one day, I've already taken 4 days. You want me to go more slow? Seriously? One day, normally they'll finish this. This I've done it in 4 days now. And there are students me go more slow. Is this over? Did you understand all the steps? Come on, take this program. Come on, take down this program quickly. I will give you practice programs now. A few people are saying fast and few people saying explain again. Huh? Contradicting students. How two loops are working? This loop is for what action you're doing, mister? Huh? What do you do when I'm teaching? What am I doing here? Storing. Storing. What am I doing here? Printing. It's two different actions. Okay, if you don't know for loop only, then my question, I will ask you to quit this class, please. Okay, I will ask you to quit this and you can join the class later once you learn all those things. I cannot sit and teach all those for loop, while loop, and all now. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Then everyone understood this program? Take up the test, practice questions. Okay. I think the practice questions have already started. Okay. Batch code BAP1. Quiz name. The quiz name is Array 6, I guess. Wait, let me check. Give me a second. Yeah, array 6 it is. Array 6. Come on, do it. 30 minutes time is given, guys. I have given you 30 minutes. I have given time 30 minutes. Please do it. See, don't be copying the code. Please understand everything. This is already discussed in Saturday's class, right? We have discussed this in Saturday's class, right? How to print data using a loop. Did we discuss or not? What were you doing in Saturday's class, huh? One day absent, one day present. If you are irregular like that, you please don't come to the classes, guys. I want students who are regular to my classes, not irregular. Yes, whether your array is static or non-static, whatever it is, you can do it. This is the batch code BAP B1 array 6. Come on, please take up your quiz. See, array 6. You can take up the quiz. There are 5 questions. And I want you to write the program according to the question. Batch code I have broadcasted. Please check. Hey, what did we do Saturday's class? Huh? In Saturday's class, we have bought the size of the array from the user only, no? Saturday's class, we learned how to read the size of the array from the user. Where were you? Do it, do it. See, if you want one program, I will solve. One program I will solve. Come on. Create a double array of size n by reading n from the user and initialize the values by reading from the user and print a difference of second and third element in the array. Print, read the question carefully. Print the difference of second and third element from the array. Got it? So here, how do I do this? Class, right? Here, let me say class A1. Okay, first I should import java.util.scanner. Okay, public static void main string args. Now here I will say yes equal to new scanner class. Okay, Now, first what I need to do, read size. I should read size. So how do I read size? Come on, tell me. Int size equal to s dot next int. After that, what I need to do? Create array. Create double array. Now, how do I create double array? Double array A equals to new double for the given size. Right? After that, come on, tell me, after that, what I need to do? Now, read data and initialize. Read data and initialize. How do you read data and initialize? Come on, tell me. For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length. Just now we did I plus plus. Inside this command, what I should do? A of I equals to. A of I equals to what? S dot next double. How do you read double command? S dot next double. Okay. Next int is for to reading integer data. Next double is for reading double data. Got it? Perfect. So it will work successfully. Job done. Okay. Next, now what I should do? Find the difference between second and third element. This is the question, right? Find difference between second and third element. So how do I do that? Double difference equal to, how do you access second element? Array address A. Second element is given by index 1. Second element is given by index 1 minus third element is given by index 2. That's all. And now I need to print system dot out dot println. Println. Okay, here what I need to print? The difference I need to print. That's all. Easy? Yes. Now you need to provide input. User input you need to provide. Look here, I will teach you how to provide user input. How many inputs you need to provide? One for size and yeah. So here see, first I will say size as sample data. Let's do it for sample data. Size as 5. Now how many data I need to provide? 5 data I need to provide. 10. Okay. 20. Got it? 30. Okay, then 40. Okay, 10, 30, 10, 20, 40. Okay. 10, 20. Okay, what is the data? Sample data given? 10. Second one is 30. Okay. What is the third one? 10, 20, 40. Okay. 10, 20, and one more 40. Okay. Check program. See, am I getting the output as 20.0? Am I getting the output as 20.0? Yes. So that means my program is working. Done? Any confusions here? Good. Don't worry about test case, please. Test case we have not yet validated. But is not yet added. Test case is not yet validated from our side. Okay, so please don't worry. You just check the program that is sufficient for us. Okay, maybe in some time, in another week or something, even test cases will be validated properly. Done till here? Yes. So like this, I want you to solve the remaining programs. Remaining 4 questions are there. Come on, do it. Why are we creating double array? Because I'm jobless, huh? What does the question say, man? Read the question. Create a double array. The question says double array. See, the question says create a double array, so I'm creating double array. Yes, please write down. If you're not able to log in, sit and start writing the programs. It's okay. Go and solve it, guys. See, second question. Create integer array of size n by reading n from the user and initialize the values by reading it from the user and print product of first and last element. Print the product of first and last element. Come on, do this now. Kalyani, open it in incognito mode. Try it in incognito. Last element, Kuldeep, you don't know English. Last element मतलब क्या है? Last element मतलब क्या है, कुलदीप? Huh? What all I should explain? Huh? Come on, guys. Finally, you're making me teach Java. Grooming class is becoming a Java class over here. If this is an array, 10, 20, लास्ट एलिमेंट मतलब क्या है वो इधर 40 is the last element. So I need to find the product of 10 and 40, first element and last element. I need to find product of first element. Product मतलब क्या है? 10 into 40. So मेरा answer 400 होना है. If this is my array. Got it? Very good. Sagar, Yashwan, very intelligent. Why only one program? Very intelligent. Only do one program, submit. So bloody fucking lazy. Whom do you think you guys are fooling by doing like this? You are just fooling yourself. मुझे कुछ नहीं होएगा, आप स्किप करके सबमिट किया तो। See, everyone, na? See, very rare. Janardhan, everyone, all you guys are acting smart. We'll also introduce the marking system. Then we'll get to know to whom we should supply requirement and for whom we should not supply requirement. Don't think that you guys can fool us, okay? All ready, all smartness you will show here, not in writing code. All smartness you will show in doing all these nonsense, but the same smartness you guys will not put in learning the subject. People do not log in, don't worry. I'm talking to others. They know whom I'm talking to. I don't have to tell the names. It will prick them automatically. Students were honestly doing, don't worry, continue my support. It's okay, Akanksha. I'm displaying the questions. You can sit and do them. See, guys, I've broadcasted list of questions. You can practice them. All the questions is given, Shivam. Check in the broadcast, it is there, all the questions are given. Kalyani, what is your doubt? Kalyani, there is few people are unable to log in. There are some issues. I've spoken with my team. Okay, it will be resolved. Until that, I've given all the questions. Please sit and solve. Even the login issues will be resolved. Don't worry. Okay. See, until that, what I want is your obedience and your honesty. Okay, spend time, do the programs. I'm giving you time for doing the programs. I have broadcasted Smriti. I have broadcasted all the questions. Solve the questions, Naveen, separately. Okay, Anuj. I don't have my notes. I will just check. See, if you're taking it as byte, Aditya, the data should be within 7. Data should be within 127. If you try to store data above 127, you will get an error because above 127, it cannot be treated as a byte data. It will be considered as int data. No error, it will not show, Shubham. There should be some mistake. Please check. Difference between that's all. Method. Out is a variable, println is a method. Okay, now, is it done, everyone? Is it done, everyone? Make it fast, make it fast. Okay, okay. Good. Okay, it depends. There's a question: does byte get converted to short after 127? Yes, short, not a problem because short has a range of 2 bytes. Byte is 1 byte, short is 2 bytes, and integer is 4 bytes. See, it is very simple, man. Like, for example, I have a half-liter bottle, 1 liter bottle, and 2 liter bottles. Okay. Read the error properly, you can fix it. Okay, we'll increase the time, don't worry. So I think you need minimum 10 minutes for one program. Okay, I'll increase the attempts also. Good. I'm quite happy. At least I think, according to me, 50 to 60% are really trying their best. See, listen, guys, students, everyone, listen carefully, okay? Uh, See, there's so many dowsing questions are coming. I'm getting here. I'm really, I know that I cannot find everyone's doubt here, okay? There are nearly 2,000, 3,000 students here. I cannot find everyone's doubt, okay? So, you know what? Listen carefully. You should be happy that I made you get the doubt. You should be happy that I made you get a doubt. So you have got a doubt. Please note down those doubts. My humble request, please note down those doubts. Take a screenshot of those errors, whatever problems you have. Next day, when you go to the branch, next day, when you go to the branch, meet the trainers there, give them those doubts, give them those questions. They will really help you. They will really help you and you will become perfect. I hope you understand, right? Yes? Yeah. So that is how you should learn. This class is helping you to really work, and this class is making you get lot of doubts. That is what is important. You're getting lot of doubts means you're at least trying to learn something, and make sure you clear all your doubts by asking those questions to your trainers. Here, out of 3,000 students, I cannot sit and individually solve everyone's doubt. If I do that, the time is not sufficient for me. But I'm very confident the trainers in the respective branches will really help you. They will really help you with your doubts, and you will be more clear for the next classes. When you come to my next class, you will be having little more extra confidence. Done? This is how you learn, okay? Good. I think I've given sufficient time. Okay, I've given you sufficient time. It's around 8:30 now. Okay, it's around 8:30. Now I request every one of you to go have your dinner. I request every one of you to go have your dinner. Okay, good. I request every one of you to go have your dinner. We'll come back at 9 o'clock. We'll come back at 9 o'clock. We'll practice. I'll give you a little more challenging questions today to practice so that you gain your confidence a little more. Get back at 9 o'clock so we can practice more challenging questions, which will increase your confidence on arrays little more. Got it? Yes, 9 o'clock. We'll meet at 9 o'clock. We'll resume the session at 9 o'clock. I'll again broadcast. We'll resume this session at 9 p.m. Come on, have your dinner and come back. Come back by 9:15. Okay, fine, 10-15 minutes. Okay, but okay. Go. Don't waste time now. Get lost. Go fast. Go fast, come back fast. Even I will go have my dinner and come back. I might take the session up to, I'll again do the session for 30-40 minutes and give you some programs to practice. Once you guys come back, I will discuss some little more logical questions today, and I'll give you some programs to practice. Yeah, I'll give you some programs to practice. Good. Hi guys, I hope everyone is back. Okay. Shabas, chill. What are you trying to do? Huh? You expect me to revise everything again and make all the remaining students wait? Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Uh, sure, Naveen, I'll check that. Okay, we'll check that. Thank you for that. Okay, guys, is my screen visible to everyone? Good. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So now we all know quite clearly what all we know now. Yes, guys. Come on, tell me what all we know now. Yeah. What is an array? To create an array. Third one. Yes. Perfect. How to create an array. by reading size from the user. Okay. Fourth one, how to store data. Good. How to store data by reading it from the user. And sixth one, we also know how to use or access the elements. What do you mean by elements? Data in the array. Right? So these things we know now, right? Yeah. So you should be perfect. So yeah, you guys should be perfect. We are confident with these 6 things. Any confusions? Okay, good. So now let us do some logical stuffs, okay? Done? Yeah, I'll broadcast all these. Come on, I will broadcast as per your request. See, it's broadcasted. Done? Okay, happy? Good. Okay. So now let us slowly go for logical questions. Let us go from simple to complicated. First, we'll go with very simple programs. Okay. I'll just tell you what all you need to do. Okay. So to start with, first one, let me do the first one. Okay. Listen here. The first question, yeah. The first question is, assume we have an array. Listen everyone now. Assume we have an array. You just have to print all the elements in reverse order. In which order? Reverse order. This is a simple logical question now. Print all the elements in which order? Reverse order. What do you mean by example? Assume that I have an array. Assume that I have an array. And assume that in my array I have 3 elements. Okay, 4 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Yeah. Can you tell me what are the index of these elements? What are the index of this element? 0, 1, 2, 3. Good. These are the index of the elements, right? Good. Perfect. So the simple logical question is, your output should be, can you tell me what is the expected output? What should be the expected output? 40, 30, 20, 10. So the output should be in reverse. That means you should start accessing the elements in reverse order. Okay, how do I do this now? Guys, how do I do this? Yeah, very simple. First of all, we know what is the statement for accessing. What is the statement for the accessing? I need address. I need array operator. And then you need to provide the index. You need to provide the index. SOP of this. That's all right. Guys, everyone understood? Yeah. Now, to start. Or should I start from 3? Should I start from 0 or should I start from 3? Yes, I should start from 3, right? Yes. Now you tell me, what is the size of this array? What is the size of this array? What is the length of the array? 4. So length of the array is 4. What is the index of the last element? What is the index of the last element? 3. Size of the array is 4. So now tell me, my I should start from where? My I should start from int I should start from where? Yes. Up with dot length. Very good. Length of the array minus 1. Easy. Easy. Good. So now tell me, let us take this variable I. What is the value of I now? Substitute. Come on, everyone, substitute. What is the value of I now? 3. So what is A of 3? What is A of 3? You get 40. Good. Good. So now, to get the next element, what should I do? I should update. I should update, obviously. Should I increase I or should I reduce I? What should I do? Should I go forward or should I go backward? I should go backward. So reduce. So what is my update here? What is my update here? Yes, update is I minus minus. Update is I minus minus. Easy? Okay. So after that, should I repeat it? Yes. Up to where should I repeat? Up to where I should repeat? 0. When I becomes minus 1, should I continue or stop? When I becomes minus 1, should I continue or stop? I should stop. So now, can I write a loop now? Come on, help me. How do I write a loop now? For int I equals to a dot length minus 1. What is my condition? I should be greater than 0. Sorry. I should be greater than equal to 0. Do you agree? After that, I minus minus. I minus minus. Inside this, what I should do? System dot out dot print. Right? Yes, I just say A of I. And I can give a space. Understood this? Did you guys understand this? Any confusions here? Good. So, yeah, take a look at this. Yeah, very simple. Over, guys, understood this? Any confusion? Okay. Now I want to write, show you neatly. In test freshers, listen here, test freshers, you can go to quizzes, observe my screen, guys. Everyone go to quizzes. Here, along with active quiz, you can see something called as practice paper. Can you see something called as practice paper, everyone? Can everyone see practice paper? Yes. Click on practice paper. You'll have a paper name called as practice paper with one question. Okay. Just click on start. See, there is a question. I want you to execute this. There is one question. I want you to type your program, complete program here. Create a character array, initialize with A, B, C, D, elements in the reverse order. Print elements in the reverse order. Understood? Batch code I've already given. How many times I should give you the batch code? It's written here only. See, BAP1. Batch code is BAP1. Okay, batch code is BAP1. Good. Come on, quickly. I want you to execute this program. Hey, data is given in the question. If data is given in the question, should you use scanner class? Is it necessary to use scanner class? Hey, when I am explaining, don't dream. I said as a quiz, go to quizzes, go to practice paper. Click on practice paper, quiz. Hey, the small thing you guys don't understand. How do you guys understand Java by sitting online, man? Where is your quizzes? Go to practice paper, click on practice paper, you will get practice. Okay, here click on start, you will get it. It is not in quiz. It's create a char array, initialize with A, B, C, D, and print the elements in reverse order. Do this. Do the program, everyone. Is it done? Everyone done? See, class A1, public, static, void, main, string, args. Okay, what is this program? Come on, tell me what is. I need to create a character array equals to data is already given. Data is already given, right? Yes. Since data is already given, what should I do now? I just have to initialize it. A, B, C, D. That's all right. Yes. Now I need to print them in reverse order. In reverse order for int I equal to a dot length minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. That's it, right? Inside this, what I need to do, system dot out dot print, right? I just have to print a of I. Let me put one space. Easy. Okay. Now let me say check program. See, am I getting the output DCBA? Are you getting the output DCBA? See, like this, I want you to practice. And all the programs that you type here will be, yes, it will be stored in the typed. So I want you to type here. Done. Over, guys. Okay. So everyone refresh your page, test refresh your page. Refresh your I've added one more question. Come on, do this program. Second question. Everyone. Guys, quickly. I have clearly explained why it is length minus 1. What were you doing when I was explaining? Huh? What is the length of the array 4? What is the index of the last element? What is the index of the last element? So index of the last element is nothing but length minus 1. Come on, everyone, refresh and do the second program. Create an array of string and store city names Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Mysore, Noida. There's a small spelling mistake, it's okay. Print all the city names present in even position. What do you mean by even position? Come on, tell me. What do you mean by even position? Yeah, index. Yeah. Index should be even, that's all. Done? Yes. Did you get the logic? Did you get the logic for this question? So it's like I have an array now. Okay. We're storing Delhi, Mumbai, Mysore, and Noida. Got it? What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even position. So that is nothing but index. Here you can consider index even. So my output should be 0th index, 2 index, 4 index. This should be my output. Come on, write your logic for that. Write your logic for that. Over. Want me to type the code or shall I go for the next question? Good. Yeah, the logic is very simple, right? Okay. Few people are asking, let me do it quickly. It doesn't take much time. Okay, public static void main string args. Okay, come on, I need to create an array of string. So string array, let me call this as cities equal to, yeah, let me just say Bangalore, Bangalore, Delhi, okay, Mumbai, Mysore, and Noida, right? Yeah. So now what is that I need to do? Display them. So for int I should start from 0, I should be less than length. Okay. Then I plus plus. Do you want all the city names? Do we want all the city names? No. If I put this, I will. Yes. So here, if I what is that? Cities of I, and let me put a space. Okay. Let me just put a space. So if I write like this, what will happen? I'll get all the cities. See, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Mysore, Noida. Okay. So I don't want all the cities. Okay. Since I don't want all the cities, I want only cities with even index. So what is that I need to do? My I should be even. When I is even, print. Is not even, don't print. Got it? So how do I do this now? I just say if I mod 2 equal to 0. If this condition is true, I will just say print system dot out dot print cities of I. Yeah. If I mod 2 equal to 0, if I mod 2, not cities of I mod 2, oh my god. If index is odd, sorry, if index is even, I mod 2 equal to 0, then go and print this. Okay. Now see, Bangalore, Mumbai, Noida. This is my correct output. Understood? Yeah, obviously 0 is also index, no? 0 is also even index only. Got it? Did you understand this question? Simple questions like I want to solve this without using if statement. Without using if statement, I want to solve it. Yeah, because here it is quite easy because array index always starts from 0 and they have asked for even index. They have asked for even index, and we know every second number is an even number. Every second number is an even number. So what you do is instead of saying I plus plus, I will just say I equals to I plus 2. I equals to I plus 2. And now I will say system dot out. Okay. And here I will say, and if you want, let me put a space. Do you think this will work? Yes. Even now this will work. I'll get the same output. I'll get the same output. Got it? Okay. There is a peculiar question that I'm getting. There are few people, crazy, interesting people have written directly like this. Array reference, that is the variable, okay, variable followed by, okay, index mod 2, yeah, okay. Oh, beautiful people, man. If I write like this, you only tell what will happen if you write like this. Do you get everything odd and even over here? Trace it as the program, you will get to know. It's not an error. It is not an error. Your output will always be the first element and the second element. Because the output for I mod 2 is always 0 or 1. For example, look here. Take the value of I. Initially I is 0. 0 mod 2. What is 0 mod 2? 0. So you will get the first element. I is 1. What is 1 mod 2? 1 mod 2 is 1. So you will get the second element. Now I is 2 mod 2. What is 2 mod 2? 2 modulus 2, 0. So you will again get the first element. They, you should first know modulus operator now. Got it? So when I is 3, 3 modulus 2. What is 3 modulus 2? What is 3 modulus 2? 1. So whatever is the value of I, your output will always be first element and the second element. First element and the second element. Look what will happen. Huh? Interesting people. Huh? What all you will try? I mod 2. Look. Bangalore. What happened to this? Oh, it became an infinite loop. Wait, guys. I less than cities. I plus plus. Okay. Yeah. Here I will say I modulus 2. Okay. Hey, what did I do again? Sorry. I plus plus I mod 2. Okay. Check program. See, Bangalore, Delhi, Bangalore, Delhi, Bangalore. Look at your Bangalore element. First element, second element. You always get like that. Got it? Okay. Be careful when you're writing the program. Shall we go for okay, done. Take down this. Any confusions here? Okay. So let me add another question now. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Guys, you can refresh your page, everyone. Refresh your page, everyone. You will get the third question. You will have a third question now. If you refresh, you will get the third question. Are you able to see the third question? Practice quizzes, practice paper. In practice paper, you start over there, you will have 3 questions will be there. Third question I want you to solve. Okay, create an integer array with values. Create an integer array with values 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and print sum of all the elements. You need to print sum of all the elements. Can you do this? Come on. Try this, everyone. Create an int array with values 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, and print sum of all the elements. Come on, guys, do this. See, I've already told you, students who have login issue, obviously I don't have your data. You sit and do it in your systems compiler. Okay. Students who have already logged in, I know them. Those guys do it like this in test freshers. Come on. Don't make me repeat this again and again, please. I want you to solve this. Come on, fast, quickly, now. If you're not able to solve after 10 minutes, I will explain the logic. Yes, is it done? Okay. Now, how many of you want me to explain the logic for this? Come on. People type only if you want to explain the logic. Everyone knows the logic, then I can move to the next one. You can type it as explain. If you want me to explain, type it as explain. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. Understood. I will explain. Now chill. Stop typing now. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. There are few people who want to, they don't know the logic. Please have patience. Okay. Yeah. Now listen. Now focus. Now focus. Very easy. Now, guys, here, let me assume this is my variable, which is holding the address of an array. Okay. Which is having some integer numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40. Got it? Index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you all know this, right? Good. Now, what I want is, I want to find sum of all the numbers. What I want to find sum of all the numbers. So, how do I find sum of all the numbers? What is the logic here is, variable. There are two ways I can do it. I'll teach you one way. Look here, everyone. I want everyone to focus. Please focus. People who know also can focus. It's okay if you listen to me again. Nothing will happen. You should create one extra container. You should create one extra container, okay? You can give whatever name to that container. Like, for example, I will name this as sum. Okay? Currently, what is there inside this? Currently, what is there inside this? Nothing. So I can make this as 0. So what I should do is, look here everyone, I should read the first number. I should read the first number, okay, from the array and add it inside this container. Understood? Understood? So now tell me what will be there inside the container? You should add a 10. You should replace it with 10 or you should add a 10. I should add a 10. So what is 0 plus 10? Yes, 0 plus 10 is nothing but 10. Easy. Okay. Okay. Now, what should I do now? I should take the second number. I should take the second number, add it to the same container, add it with the data present in the same container. Are you understanding? Add it to the data present inside the same container. So now tell me what is there inside the container? What is already inside the container? 10. What is the data we are reading? 20. What is 10 plus 20? What is 10 plus 20? It will become 30. It will become 30. Understand the logic first. Understand the logic first. Okay. Now, what should I do now? I should take the third element. I should take the third element, add it to the data present in the same container. Add it to the data present inside the same container. So what is there inside the container already? 30. What is the data? 30. What is 30 plus 30? 60. So what does it become? 60. Understood? Yes. Now should I repeat this? Yes, you should repeat this. I should repeat this. So take the next data, add it to the data data present in the same, add it to the data present in the same container. Easy. Perfect. So now what is there inside the container? 60. So now tell me what is 60 plus 40? 100. So it becomes 100. Easy. Easy. So therefore, I need one container. I need one extra container. Every time, read a data from the array, add the data present in the same container and update the container. Add it to the data present in the same container and understood? So how do I do this is very simple. Yes, come on, tell me, how do I do this? In the form of an instruction, how do I do this? So I have 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes. So I need one variable int sum equals to what? 0. So now what is that I need to do? Sum is equal to present inside sum. So how do I do that? Sum equal to sum plus a of 0. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yes or no? Yes. For the second time, what I will do again? Equals to sum plus a of second number, that is a of 1. For the third time, sum equals to sum plus a of 2. Got it? For the fourth time, sum equals to sum plus a of 3. Got it? Okay. So I should stop now. So when should you stop? Once you reach the last position, you should stop. Therefore, sir, can I do this using a loops now? Can I? How do I do it? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length I just have to say sum equals to sum plus a of I. Got it? Sum equals to sum plus a of I. So what is the extra thing I need? Int sum equal to 0. This is what I should do in the beginning. Easy? Understood? Any confusions here? That's all. This is how you can do it. Okay. So let me quickly do the full program. Come on. Class A3, public, static, void main, string, args, integer array, a equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, now int sum equal to 0 for int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. Here, what is that I need to do is sum equal to come on, tell me what is that I need to equal to sum plus a of I. Okay, and here I'll say system dot out dot println. I can print the sum. Take program 38. I hope you are getting the answer. Done? Perfect. So there's one more way, guys. One more thing, small thing you can do is, if compound assignment operator of I. Okay, instead of this, I can directly say sum plus equal to a of I. I can write like this: sum plus equal to a of I. The shorthand notation. It's a learn what is plus equals operator in. Okay. Even now, see if I execute, I'll get the same output. Got it? So even this is another way of writing. Simple way. Done? Yeah, it's an assignment with update. Okay, no, I will not explain this operator. My job is not to explain operator now, please. You can learn, man. Use Google. Are you so lazy? Huh? Small things also you cannot learn. Just type plus equals operator in Java. You will get it. Okay? Or go to the branch trainers and please take their help. Learn it. It's easy. No, I know you put some efforts. My interest is I want you to put some efforts. Okay? Good. Okay, guys. Done. So let's move on to the last question for the day. You can refresh your page, everyone. Okay. I have added one more question. I just want you guys to, yes, solve this question now, quickly. Fourth question, question number 4. Come on. Question number 4, solve. I'll just give you 15 minutes time. Not 15 minutes is too much. 10 minutes time I'll do it. I'll give you. Come on, do it. Guys, I hope you all know how to read a character. I hope you all know how to read a character from the user. Character from a user with like this. Look here. Scanner object reference, that is yes dot next method dot char at 0. See, next actually gives a string, okay? I am extracting the first character from the string. That is what it is. Use this instruction for time being. Yes, yes, you need scanner class. You need scanner class because you need to read a character from the user. Why do you want compare method? It is a character. You can compare character using equality operator. Yes, Savitri, you should use if condition, obviously. You should use if condition. You should use if condition.